Children, now let's see what is equation of standard lines, right? These are my ways to explain what are equation of standard lines. Let me tell you that there are in total 12 types of lines, and I shall prove it within my slide. How many types of lines are there, children? 12. 6 belongs to standard, 6 belongs to incline. 6 are standard, 6 are incline. Together 12. So we are going to see 6 here. We are going to see 6 in the next slide. So total 12, and you will say for sure that all the sums which you do will either have, that is, it will have one of the 12 lines which I teach you right now in this one and the next to come. I can give you this with surety that whatever lines you go for, straight line mind you, has to be there from the 12 lines. Either standard line 6 over here and 6 incline. 6 plus 6, 12. You won't find anything other than that. Let's start. Equations of standard line. First one. I've written down something, but I'm yet to explain you. Equation of x-axis. Children, equation of x-axis is nothing but y equal to 0. What is equation of x-axis? Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Can anybody tell me why? Because on x-axis y coordinate is 0. Because on x-axis y coordinate is 0. Equation of y-axis. Now there are many who will say x equals to 0. Equation of y-axis, x equals to 0. Equation of x-axis, y equal to 0. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Right? Now comes equation of line parallel to x-axis and a units above it is given by. So let's understand by drawing a coordinate system, a very smaller coordinate system, only to make you understand, right? We are not doing any kind of sum. We are just doing a very small coordinate system, only to make you people understand. Say, this is what my coordinate system is. Say this is nothing but my x-axis, and say this is nothing but my y-axis. What do they say? Equation of line parallel to x-axis. So now if I read till here only till here, mind you, I'm not reading further. Now when I tell myself, ask myself that if I have a line parallel to x-axis, there are two occasions. One is either it will be parallel to x-axis and above it, or it will be parallel to x-axis and below it. Am I right? Parallel to x-axis and above it, parallel to x-axis and below it. That's what I have written. Next one. Equation of line parallel to x-axis and a units. So how far it is, that's what a units. Above it. So let us say that this is what is the line which we are looking out for. We want to find out the equation of this line which is parallel to x-axis, and a units means what? Say it is passing through y1 and 2. Say this is 2. So it is a units above it. How many units? A units. 2 units above it. Is given by. Equation of line parallel to x-axis and a unit is given by. Just take this in mind. Equation of line parallel to x-axis is always given by y equal to. Equation of line parallel to x-axis is always given by y equal to. Since it is above, what coordinates we have? Positive. So answer is y is equals to plus 2. Is the equation of line. Y equals to plus 2 or simply 2. If you want, you can write down this as y minus 2 equals to 0. That is also fine, but this is what standard line is. Y equals to plus 2. On the same lines, children, absolutely on the same lines, equation of line parallel to x-axis and a units below it. So let's understand the diagram once again. So we have one more, that equation of line parallel to x-axis and a units below. So let me show you a units below. Let me say here it is minus 1. So can I say this is at a distance of 1 unit? Distances are never negative. Minus 1 is the coordinate. That is minus 1 is the point over here on y-axis. Distances are never negative. Distances are always. But since it is below and the coordinate over there is minus 1, anything parallel to x-axis is always given by y equal to. Over here it is on the lower side we have negative coordinate, answer is -1. Or if you want, you can say y plus 1 equals to 0. So anything parallel to x-axis is always given by y equal to. Anything parallel to x-axis is always given by y equal to. If it is above, then it is y is equal to plus a. If you want, I'll write down general formula. I shall write down just general formula over here. Y equals to plus a, and here y equals to minus a. General formula. Y equals to 2, y is equal to minus, so y minus 2 is 0, y equal to -1 or y plus 1. General formula, y is equal to plus a, y is equal to minus a. Right, children? Now comes equation of line parallel to y-axis and a units. So first of all, let's draw a coordinate system over here also. Let's draw a coordinate system here also. Now when I say line is parallel to y-axis, again two cases arises. This is what y is, this is x. Over here also I need to mention, this was x and this was y. Now when I say anything parallel to y-axis, there are two cases, either on the right hand side or on the left hand side. Right? Equation of line parallel to y-axis and a units to the right of it, is given by, so let me say this is what it is. Let me say this is what it is. This line we are talking about. Say it is passing through 2. So is this distance 2? Anything parallel to y-axis is always given by x equals 2. Since on the positive side, 2. Here I can say general equation, x equals to plus a. Y on the positive side. If you want, you can say x minus 2 equals to 0. Right? I think so. By this time, it is you people who have gauged the last one. What is that? What is the last one now? What is the last one now? Say this is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. Now the time has come for anything parallel to y-axis, but not on the right hand side. Where? On the left hand side. So let me say this is what the line is. Mind you, it's parallel. Mind you, it's parallel. Don't you think so? The coordinates over here is going to be negative. Say this was -2. Say this is -2. Then what is the answer going to be? Anything parallel to y-axis is always given by x equals 2. But on the left hand side, minus a. Over here it is -2. I can say the general equation is x is equals to minus a. X is equals to -2. Or if you want, you can say x plus 2 equals to 0. X plus 2 equals to 0. Are you getting me, children? So let's refresh. Equation of x-axis, y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis, x equals to 0. Anything parallel to x-axis, two cases arises. Above, x is equals, anything parallel to x-axis is given by y equals to. Above, y equal to plus a. Below, y equal to minus a. I'm talking general equation. Anything parallel to y-axis, two cases arises. On the right, on the left. On the right, parallel to y-axis. On the right, x equals to plus a. On the left, x equals to minus a. Are you getting me? This is what I mean by saying equation of standard lines. 6 here, 6 to follow. Total 12.